Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Caitlin. Today we want to share with you one of our valve assembly. Let's take a look. Firstly, it's the VCI anti-rust bags, right? And here this is the label with the product code F00RJ00399. And for this kind of logo labeled packages, support a customized service. Plastic bottles avoid damages during the transportation, and the inside is the oil paper to wrap it up. The valve assembly, actually it can be separated to the valve cap and the valve rods. If you look carefully, you will find that in the valve cap, there with the coating figures. And here, Caitlin's 3 tips want to share with you if you want to install the valve assembly. Make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. At last, remember, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? Thank you. And here, Caitlin want to share with you about our product warranty time. That's the 6 months, yes. Okay, so much for the introduction. Yes, and more details, please focus on our channel and feel free to contact us. Let's see you next time.